Sonar by Perplexity AI is one of the latest AI tools to hit the market, and in this video, I'm going to give you the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or someone who's just getting into the space, this software is definitely making waves, so stick with me until the end to understand why. First off, Sonar isn't just another generic AI tool. It's designed with a unique focus, leveraging AI to analyze and generate highly accurate data insights for businesses. It's fast, intuitive, and incredibly versatile. The interface is straightforward, making it easy for even non-technical users to get started. If you're in the digital marketing space, or you work with data-driven strategies, you'll appreciate how Sonar simplifies decision-making. One of the most impressive features of Sonar by Perplexity AI is its ability to process large sets of data and provide actionable insights in real time. This is a game changer for businesses that rely on data to drive their strategies, especially when you consider how many traditional analytics tools require a significant amount of manual input or hours of processing time. With Sonar, you can make faster decisions, and that speed can have a huge impact on your overall efficiency. Now, you might be wondering, can Sonar really deliver on all of this? Absolutely. It uses advanced algorithms to provide data trends, consumer behavior analysis, and even predictions based on historical data. This is a powerful feature, especially for businesses trying to understand their market better and make data-backed decisions that drive growth. Another thing to keep in mind with Sonar is its integration capabilities. The software connects with a wide range of platforms, which means you can sync your existing systems to make the most of it. Whether you're using a CRM, a project management tool, or any other business software, Sonar can be integrated smoothly without requiring a complex setup. This makes it a practical solution for businesses of all sizes. What about security? Well, Perplexity AI has prioritized user data protection with top-tier encryption and security protocols. As businesses handle sensitive information, knowing that your data is secure with Sonar is an important consideration. You won't have to worry about security breaches or data loss, which is a relief in today's digital age. And if you're someone who values customization, Sonar excels in this department too. It offers a high degree of flexibility when it comes to tailoring reports, dashboards, and notifications. You can adjust the software to match your workflow perfectly. This means it adapts to your needs rather than the other way around. Perhaps one of the biggest selling points of Sonar by Perplexity AI is the free trial. Yes, you can try it completely free through the link in the description below. No commitments, no hidden fees. This gives you the chance to explore the software fully and see if it aligns with your goals before making any investment. Finally, when it comes to support, Perplexity AI provides excellent customer service. Their team is responsive, and you can easily access resources like tutorials and FAQs, helping you get the most out of your experience with Sonar. Before wrapping up, I want to leave you with one last thought. After trying thousands of AI software tools, Sonar stands out for its ability to blend ease of use with advanced functionality. If you're looking for a new AI tool to help streamline your business processes and make data-driven decisions faster, Sonar by Perplexity AI is definitely worth a look. Don't forget to check out the free trials of the AI tools I recommend in the description. I've tried countless options, and I only recommend the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.